How to see all the comments you've made on YouTube. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can see all the comments you've made on YouTube videos. So let's get started. Step 1. Open your Chrome browser. First, open the Chrome browser. Once it's open, you can go to youtube.com, or if you already have YouTube open, you can directly use it. Step 2. Switch to desktop mode. After opening YouTube, look at the top right corner for the three dots menu. Click on it, and from the options, select Desktop Site. This will switch YouTube to the desktop version on your phone. Step 3. Log in to your YouTube account. If you aren't already logged in, log in with your email ID. If you're logged in, you'll see a menu icon with 3 lines at the top left corner of the screen. Click on this icon. Step 4. Open your YouTube history. After clicking the menu icon, you will see an option called History. Click on it. You will then see a page with various options, including the comments section. Step 5. View your comments. Click on the Comments option. After a few seconds, you will be able to see all the comments you've made on YouTube videos. This includes the date and time when each comment was posted, along with the video it was made on. Step 6. See all your comments. You can easily browse through your comments, including which videos you commented on and the exact time of your comments. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel so you can receive notifications for future videos.